Hi, let's take a moment to talk about electrical bonding safety. I see this neglected a lot on many pools I look at, so I wanted to take you over to my pool and let's show you what electrical bonding is. In a swimming pool, electrical bonding ties together the metallic portions of a swimming pool within 5 feet of the water line and all of the equipment at the pad. The idea behind equipotential bonding is to prevent the differential voltage between one point to the other. So if one voltage is 100 and the other voltage is 200, its idea is to limit that and keep everything at the same level so you don't experience a shock. I'll show you what it looks like. Let's take a look. Right here we have a bonding lug on our pool pump. You can see that? A wire comes out of that, and then that goes to a bolt here that connects us to our other bonding wires. In my instance, I have a bond wire that goes over to a heat pump over there. I have a bond wire that goes over here to my lighting transformer. And then I also have a bond wire that attaches to my auto cover pump. And then we tie that over to the bond wire, and this runs around the entire perimeter of the swimming pool. It also ties onto our auto cover. Many pools that have pumps replaced over the course of time find this disconnected. So make sure that you have a number 8 copper wire, if you live in America, attached to your pool pump and all metal surfaces on your pool equipment pad. This will help keep you safe. Additionally, a GFCI breaker is a great idea anytime you replace electrical equipment.